All right, so what if somebody built a vented cleanout that didn't have a fine screen, but had a real coarse screen that you didn't have to clean?
Yeah,
and that screen had a patented removable section, so you could run a camera through it, or you could run heat cable through it, or you can run a garden hose through it. Something like this that had really good fluid dynamics that didn't let the water go.
Boy, that's beautiful. Nice and tight. No leaks.
Every once in a while, a product comes along and it changes an industry. You assemble a team made up of contractors, engineers, men, women, meeting of the minds, wisdom, knowledge, brought together to design, build something great, made in the USA. Everything is put on the table. There's a game plan. There's an end game. You combine that with the will to overachieve. You put a group of people together that love overkill. How far are we willing to take it? Is what we're trying to do even achievable? The world's first custom vented cleanout. It's a hybrid because it's also a leaf filter. The removable screen allows for easy access, allowing the homeowner the flexibility to just run a garden hose and flush the line at their will. The contractors knew what the industry needed. The engineers delivered. A collaboration between contractor and engineer. And here we have the world's first custom vented cleanout leaf filter for a roof runoff system. It contains all the water and it doesn't let any of the water escape. It collects all the leaves and it's guaranteed to not clog. The water can continue to run through this vented cleanout leaf filter without any problems. The design prevents clogging. The leaves collect up against the door. The water will continue to run down the back of the housing. The world's first vented cleanout leaf filter. Brought to you by French Drain Man.
Also, this will fit inside Schedule 40, Schedule 35, Schedule 30 PVC, and triple wall, which is septic field pipe. This will snap down in the corrugated. This fits inside anything 4-inch, and we have a reducer that will take it to 3-inch.
If you like the Made in USA products that we're bringing to the market, give us a thumbs up. It supports what we're doing. If you have any additional questions regarding this vented cleanout leaf filter, leave them in the comments section.